Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Those of you who just joined the channel recently, you are welcome. To all my new subscribers, welcome to this community. I haven't posted a video for a while now, so I decided to record this quick video to show you a thing or two. Okay, so I want to show you how to install a dating software or a dating website for yourself, which is super simple. This is a demo I'm showing you. All right, so we're walking you through the demo. After that, I'll show you how to install this website for yourself or this software. Before all of that, before I show you all these things, let me first of all show you the things you need to know about this website. So on your dating site, users will come, create an account, purchase what we call credit. Okay, so we have credit here. You click on it, and the site is going to take us to a page that looks like this. You can set up your own packages. Users will buy points, pick payment options, and we have a lot of payment options available. All right, so it doesn't matter where you are from. You can even enable Coinbase or cryptocurrency using one of these gateways. Okay, so we have cryptocurrency payment gateways that we can enable. If you're in Africa, don't worry, we have Paystack, Flutterwave, and a lot. You can also enable bank transfer. So users will choose a plan, pay you via one of these payment gateways. After that, their account will be credited with what credit, and they'll use that credit to perform certain activities on your site, something like increasing their profile popularity or visitors. So they click on increase popularity, and your popularity is very low. They can use the same credit they purchase to increase their visitors, increase matches, and increase their likes. Your site also comes with what we call premiumship. That means users can upgrade to your premium plans, and those users will be highlighted here. You see premium users, those users will be highlighted here. To your left hand side, you can see some buttons here or some menus. Find matches, your matches, visitors, your friends. Is this like a social networking website? That means users can like themselves, they can request friend, or they can send friend request, they can send gifts to one another, likes, people they like, people they dislike, and a lot. All right, here we can have live videos. This site is powerful. Okay, hot or not, you can compare two images or something like that, whether this one is hot or not. So click on hot or not, and then those things will appear here. Okay, and then you can dislike this, and then you can also make this a match hot or hot match. Okay, so let me take you back, and we have an option here where users can see their messages. Okay, and I'll click on it, and right now I'm online but no message yet. From there, we click on Go Premium, and these are your premium packages that users can subscribe to and pay you monthly, yearly, or even lifetime membership like this. After that, they again choose a payment option to pay you. From there, they can boost their profiles by click on Boost Me, and then this credits or your specified amount of credit will be deducted, and they're using the credit they purchase. They'll click on buy credit because this account has 0 credit. Because of that, they will be redirected to the credits purchase page where they can buy credit. Users can click on this drop down, they can go live. Okay, so I'll click on go live now, and I can go live with my account. Okay, so if I click on allow, the site will get access to my microphone and my camera, and then I can start streaming. So let me take you back, as I don't want this feature now. So I'll go back and I'll click on this drop down again, and we have profile. I can edit my profile details. So when I click on profile, it's taking me to my profile area where I can add pictures, I can even add videos. This website will allow you to hide certain images, and users are also going to be earning some revenue, okay, some money via your platform, because those images and videos that are hidden, before others can see them or get access to them, they need to pay the creator or the owner of those images. Scroll down and our profile completion is here. That means we still have a lot to do in order to complete our profile. Because of this, let me just take you back to the top, and I can change my avatar here if I want. Click here to edit, and you can edit your profile details. I'll scroll down and enter my details, my city, and on top we have some menus that you can click on. Profile, enter your about us, so your users will enter their about, what they want people to know about them. They'll enter tags, their location, their preferred language, work status, education level, looks, personality, lifestyle, favorites, and they can save their changes. I'll take you back again, and we have privacy. So click on privacy, and you can do some settings here. Show my profile on search engines, show my profile in random users. Let me just click on this, got it, and they can show their profiles in find match page. Then they can also confirm requests when someone requests to be a friend with you. After that, you click on save. We have password, so those users who want to change their passwords, that can be found located here. Socials, they can enter their other social networks links, so something like their Facebook profiles, all those things here. Blocked, those users that they blocked, okay, because your users can block other users, can be found here. Sections, I'll just forget about that, and then my information can be found here. Affiliate, your users or your website comes with an affiliate program where other users can refer, or where users can refer other users to your site in exchange for commissions, and they can share their links via one of these platforms. Very, very simple, guys. So I'll take you back to the top, and after they make some money, they can click here, request withdrawal, and they can withdraw these funds. We also have two-factor authentication. This is second layer of protection for your users' accounts. From there, they can delete their accounts completely. Users who no longer want to work with you or have accounts with your site can simply or can gracefully exit your platform. So this is just a quick rundown about our users dashboard. Let me just click on this drop down, and we have settings, and that's just what I took you through. Okay, when I click on it, it's almost the same. So if you are ready to set up your own dating website in simple steps, stay tuned, because right now I will be showing you how you can set up or install your own dating site in simple steps. Now, here are the things you need in order to set up your own dating website, just like what I showed you in the introductory part of this video. First, you need what we call hosting account. If this is your first time watching website video or website creation video, maybe you are not into web development and this is your first time, then I'll explain what hosting is. Hosting is just like Google Drive or an online storage where you keep your website files. All right, so you need a server or a hosting account. The next piece you need is domain name, and domain name is nothing but your website name, maybe www.yoursitename.com is what we call a domain name. That address people are going to always remember and get access to your website. The third piece to it is an already programmed piece of software or script that we'll be using to set up this dating site. Most of you are not developers and it will take you years to learn it. Even if you are a developer, coming out with this website, something similar to this, will take you some time. That's why we want to use an already programmed software or script to accomplish this. And the fourth piece to it is focus. All right, so make sure you focus or you pay attention to what I'll be doing. Okay, so now I'll take you to my hosting, and for this case I'll be using makigohost.com. I've used them for like 3 years. Okay, and all my clients' websites are also hosted on makigohost.com. Here I am in my dashboard. When you create an account with them, you'll be redirected to an account or a dashboard like this. We have services and domain names. When you are purchasing your hosting, make sure you include domain name. So I'll go to my services and then I'll pick my package. And right now Makigo have disabled login via cPanel. So we're going to be logging into what we call control panel, and is a place we use to upload our website files. Control panel. So in order to access your control panel, make sure you copy your website name, paste, and then put /cPanel and hit enter, and your website will take you to your control panel. Now Makigo is going to send you these details, your control panel details. Enter your control panel username and password, click on login, and you get access to your control panel. From there, so let me log in and then show you what we'll be doing next. I'll simply click on login after entering my details, and we are taken to our cPanel. You can see Makigo is super fast. All right, so this is where we'll be uploading our website files and setting up our business emails. When you first land on cPanel, make sure you create your business email. I have videos or resources in the description of this video that will show you how to do that. A business email is nothing but something like this, maybe support at not Gmail but your website name.com. This makes your business it will let people trust your business more, instead of using something like Solomon at Gmail, right? Gmail.com. Now that you have a hosting account, you can create your own business account, business emails. So make sure you do that. Remember to check my resources in the description of this video. So I'll take you back there, and we'll be navigating to File Manager. See, File Manager. This is where we upload our website files. There's something we call Jet Backup. You can use that one to automatically backup your website files. So not all web hosting providers offer this feature. So let's click on File Manager, and the site is taking us to File Manager. Now make sure you locate public underscore HTML. Scroll down and click on public underscore HTML, and this directory is empty because when we open our website, we can see when you type your website name, you can see your site is empty. There's nothing there, but this is your domain name. After ordering web hosting from any hosting provider, it's always a good practice you give them up to 24 hours or even 6 hours, sometimes 2 days, for your hosting account to fully come online. And the same thing applies to your SSL, that's your encryption. Make sure you have this padlock. Now we're going to upload our website files, and I'll be showing you in depth with my full video. There's another video in the description that will show you how to do these things. I have a full video on this same topic. You can check that video out. All right, so we click on upload, and we're going to upload our website files. So how do we get our website files? Let me take you to my desktop, and I assume you have downloaded your script. Now the question is, how do you get the script that we'll be using for our dating site? In the description of this video, you see a link that says get script or software here. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. We're going to purchase this script one time and we'll get regular updates. Now if you were to hire a web developer to build you an amazing dating website just like the one I showed you, I can only imagine the amount you'll be paying them to build you this entire system. So purchase that script and then download it so you can follow along. And then we'll go to scripts. You see the script, let's click on it once and make sure you right click on it and click on compress or archive. I'm using Linux, because of that you're seeing compress, but in your case you're going to see there's an option in Windows or whichever PC you're using to compress. So let's click on compress and we're going to compress this file, and this should not take up to 60 seconds to compress. All right, so wait for it to compress. Good. So we've successfully compressed our zipped file, which is this, and there's a documentation folder there for us to follow. Now that we've successfully compressed our file, what we need to do is just go back to your hosting provider, click on select, and then we're going to click on show all. And I have it here. In your case, you have to navigate to wherever you have your file zipped. So I can just click on home and I'll go to desktop and I'll go to here and then I'll see it here and then click on select. Now we have to wait patiently for this file to get uploaded. Once the file is uploaded, we'll then go back to our file manager, which is here, reload, and we'll see that file there. Would unzip it or extract it to reveal the content inside that folder or that zipped file. Okay, so let's wait for that whole process to complete. All right, go back and then we'll wait. All right, so we've successfully uploaded that file. Just click on this link here, click on it, and it should redirect you to your file manager in cPanel, and there we have it. Click on this, you can right click on it and click on extract, and we'll click on extract files. Fantastic. Now close, and we're going inside here. Please, let's delete this because it's occupying your hosting space, so we just delete it. Good. Now open this, and what we're going to do is make sure Please go back. Now, once you're here, click on settings and make sure you enable show hidden files. And any file you see like this, any .ht file, htaccess. Now, when you do that and you see .htaccess file, make sure you delete it before opening your script folder. So we're going to delete this. If not, it's going to interfere. Okay, it's going to disrupt our installation. Okay, we can't have duplicated htaccess files. Now we delete it. Make sure we delete that, and then we now open it. And I said it, you see, we have .htaccess file here already. This should be the original file. We're going to select all and we're going to move. Remove this and click on move. Excellent. Now click here to go back. We're going to open our site now. Click on or reload. Just type your website name and hit enter. And it should take you to an installer. This is an installation page. Scroll down, accept to your developer's terms. Next, make sure everything is green. All right, so McAfee has all these extensions enabled. That's why you don't have problem. All right, just click on next. And we're going to enter our purchase code here, host name, SQL username and SQL password, SQL database, our website name, just leave it as it is. Scroll a bit, enter your site name, site title, your site email, and here make sure you enter your admin username and admin password, because these are the details you'll be using to get access to your control area where you'll be controlling your site. So let me now show you how to create your database in cPanel. From there, we will be installing our script. To get started with that, go back to your cPanel and inside here, just type DB. We click on manage my databases. You see manage, create, manage and delete. So I'll click on manage my databases. Once the page is fully loaded, I'm going to create my first database. So this database is called date site db. Okay, so date site db, you can give it any name. After that, click on create database. Now we'll be needing this database when we get to the installer. Okay, now click here to go back, scroll down. After creating your database, you need to create user. Okay, so we have your database and your users. So we'll click here and we'll give it a name, date site user. The first one was date site db, that's database, and this one is date site user. Make sure you use a password generator. Copy this password and then click on use password. Make sure you paste this password somewhere safe because we'll be needing it later. We'll go back and we'll click on create user. After that, click on go back and we'll be connecting our database to our user. So make sure you have data. Okay, so that's data. I wanted to enter date, but it doesn't matter. So data site user and then data site db. So just click on add. Make sure you pick the right user and the right database and click on add. After that, allow all privileges. Scroll down and click on make changes. Excellent. Now go back to the top. And we're going to copy our user. Copy. Come here. And make sure you enter your host. So just click and type localhost. Your SQL username. Click, and this is your username with the user. Click here. This password. Okay, so skip that and come here. Click, paste, and then make sure the user you remove and put DB, because this is the name of our database. So copy that. There we go. And we'll paste it here, which is the exact thing I did. Copy, paste. Now your passwords. Remember that password I said you should paste it somewhere safe. We're going to copy that password and we will be pasting that password here. Our site's name, solo date. Site title, online dating website. Site email, admin at your website's name. From there, scroll and make sure you enter your username and your password. So let's click. Now enter my username. So the username is going to be solo date. I'll copy that, come back, paste, and then my password should also be solo data. Paste. Okay. From there, we click on install. But before then, make sure you enter your purchase code on top. So I assume you've entered your purchase code. So I'll just click on install now. Wait patiently. Just click on get started. And now let's delete our install folder. So just go back to your file manager and reload this install. Delete it. Delete. After that, go back to your site. Now type your site name, hit enter. Now when you reload the page and you still see this install folder, after deleting the folder, if you still see this install folder following you, it means your browser's cache need to be cleared. So I opened the same URL in a new tab, and now here is it. So you simply log in with your admin details. I'll click on login. I'll simply enter my details. Those details I entered during the setup process. After that, click on login and we are taken to our account. Now, because you are a super user or the admin of the site, when you click here, you will see an admin link. You are the only one who has access to this because you are the site admin. Other users will not get access to this. If they get access to that, that means your website is maybe hacked or something like that, but there's no way they'll get access to this. So click on admin panel and we'll be taken to our admins area where we'll be configuring our website. So welcome to your admins area. Now if you want a full in-depth training on how to configure everything just like what I did in this video, I have a full video in the description of this video that will show you how to configure this same dating website. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in that video if you're interested.